70% of smallholder farmers in Uganda are women, and yet, without access to markets, their efforts are frustrated. Without access to financial services, their potential is underutilized. Without access to technology, their productivity is limited. Women contribute 80% of food production in Uganda. Ask government to increase funding to the agricultural sector and dedicate 30% to women farmers to access financial services, appropriate technologies, markets and information. As a citizen, you can support women in agriculture by participating in planning, budgeting and monitoring government programs in your community.